how to download ChatGPT application on mobile on Android. So the first thing you should know that the ChatGPT has not launched any official application. You won't be able to download the application on your device, but you can simply add the ChatGPT site to your home screen. What you want to do is head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. It will land you on the official website of ChatGPT. Once you have logged into your ChatGPT account, tap on this three dot at the top right corner. You'll find the option of Add to Home Screen. Tap on it. You can enter the name for this site to add to your home screen. Let it be at ChatGPT. Now tap on Add. Once again tap on Add to Home Screen. Now you can simply go back and head over to your home page. There you can see that the site has been successfully added to your home screen. Now you just have to tap on it and it will directly lead you to your ChatGPT site. This way you won't have to open your web browser again and again. Well, that's it, and I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.